do you got there?
Love it, first ride. I'm a believer. Now, if you've been following us for a while, you know that I have my daily rider is nicknamed Big Black, the KLR650. It really is a twin to this one right here, except for we did a custom paint job on it and pimped it out a little bit. This is absolute perfection. This is the last brand new KLR650 on the planet, last confirmed one anyways, with only 4.9 miles, factory miles on it. So the gentleman who we bought this bike from had a collection of NOS brand new motorcycles. He collected bikes that were significant to him, and he loved the KLRs, so he bought this one and never rode it. It is absolutely 100% brand new and 100% stock. It came into the shop, and we had the wizard go through it and make sure that there was no gas in it, and then put fresh VP fuel in it, clean the carburetor, drain the oil and the coolant, put all new coolant in oil, and flush the front disc brake system and rear disc brake system out with fresh DO2 brake fluid. So then I went to the detail shop, Doc laid a nice coat of wax on it, and that's it. It's really not much to say except for it's brand new, okay? I've never seen a brand new KLR 650 from this vintage. They changed them in 2008 to the new body style. I like the new body style better. It's up to you to make that determination. I just think they look more sporty. The new ones are a little bit bulky looking. I've got the manual right here, original owner's manual. This is the last year of the original body style, 2007, clean certificate of title. One owner bike with a manual, brand spanking new. Most of these red ones, like Big Black started life as a red one like this. If they're left outside, the plastic fades, they look all run down. This is an absolutely pristine, brand new museum piece, and you know, I'm in no real rush to sell it because I kind of fell in love with my other project KLR, and I was thinking about maybe selling the XR650 I have, because I feel this is a much more comfortable bike for a big guy and better for on-road riding than the brand new 2018 XR650 I have. So that may go back up for sale, and we might make a twin to Big Black. What we did with Big Black is we put a FMF pipe on it and a carb kit and the FMF Stage 1 intake kit with a K&N air filter and just some other minor stuff, and put a nice paint job on it, and I absolutely love that bike. Kenny, is there anything like to add about this stunning brand new motorcycle?
Yeah, so I think you need another cup of coffee, Pops, because you got it mixed up. You were talking about how you like the later models better, but you really meant to say you like the earlier models. So was it 07 or 08? I'm not as well versed with these bikes, but they swapped the fairing style, and it's much more bulky.
This is the last year. I'm sorry, have I said that backward? This is the last year the body style I like, the 07. 08, they went to the new rounded, more like a street bike fairing. So if I said that backwards, maybe I do need a cup of coffee.
It looks like a heavyweight adventure bike, the newer styled ones. This is a more slim look. Big Black, the KLR. If you're a follower on the YouTube channel, you've seen it. These are pretty sleek. But the fact of the matter is, you know, these are a dime a dozen with a lot of miles on them that are modified. And 9 times out of 10, they're crashed, they've been down, or they've been ridden off-road, and they're not even close to what they were originally. It's just not the same feel. It doesn't look even close, and it's only original once. So no one's out here doing restorations on KLR 650s, and even if they did, it wouldn't be even comparable to what this is in front of us here.
So again, brand new, 4.9 miles. Still, look at show them the tack and speedo here. It's just about to turn 5 miles there. The braking sticker is still on there, showing you the braking procedure. The fit and finish on the bike is absolutely pristine. This is a #1 concourse bike. It's brand new, 2007. It's 13 years old by the calendar, but it's brand new mechanically and cosmetically. Good luck finding another one. I don't think there is another new one on the planet, so I don't even think Kawasaki Heavy Industries has one. So God bless Kawasaki for making one of the best, all-time best, all-around motorcycles ever. I have a whole museum full of bikes here, and my personal daily rider is Big Black, the KLR 650. You know, I have my Dynas, and I got my CR500s too. I got a stable of bikes that are awesome for motocross and street, and I have 3 different Harleys. But for my daily rider, this is my bike of choice. I can ride killer wheelies on these things. I can take it off-road. I can take it on the highway. I can take Christy out on it. It doesn't get any better, and they're bulletproof Kawasaki quality. So good luck bidding on it, and God bless America, and God bless Mr. Kawasaki.
the clutch out.
Huh?
Leave the clutch out.
I forgot to leave the clutch out.
Leave the bike in the museum here for as long as you like. Ship it anywhere in the States inexpensively. So message us your zip code for a quote. Ship it overseas inexpensively as well. Get in contact with us for any information. Any questions you have on the bike, call us 860-454-7024. Ask to speak with Kenny or Cody. Good luck bidding and God bless America.